मैं धीरज कुमार मिश्रा, चीफ एकेडमिक एंड बिजनेस हेड आकाश एजुकेशनल सर्विसेज लिमिटेड। और आज हम सब लोग यहाँ जमा हुए हैं डॉक्टर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए। और हम अपनी लाइफ में हर दिन और कई अपने रिलेटिव्स के साथ भी जब भी कभी कुछ बीमारी, दर्द, पेन होता है तो वी रीच टू द डॉक्टर्स एंड हम उनकी तरफ देखते हैं कि वो हमें सही करेंगे और हमें हेल्दी रखेंगे, हमें आशा देंगे जब भी हम अस्पताल जाते हैं। तो आज का दिन है जब हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं वो सारे डॉक्टर्स को, उनके हार्ड वर्क को, कमिटमेंट को, कि वो कितना कुछ हमें रिलीफ देते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस देते हैं और कितना पेन उठाते हैं। कई कई घंटों तक सर्जरीज चलती हैं, कई कई घंटों तक डॉक्टर्स ड्यूटी पे रहते हैं हमें सबको इंश्योर करने के लिए हम सब हेल्दी रहें। तो आज ये दिन है एक सबको सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए। और आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट 1988 से हर साल ईयर आफ्टर ईयर्स सैकड़ों हज़ारों डॉक्टर्स कंट्रीब्यूट कर चुका है अभी तक अपनी सोसाइटी में। अभी भी जो हमारे नीट एग्ज़ाम्स हो रहे हैं पिछले 10 सालों में अगर हम देखेंगे तो टॉप 100 में नियरली 50% बच्चा आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट का होता है। तो हर साल पिछले 37 सालों में लगातार आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट ने लाखों डॉक्टर्स कंट्रीब्यूट किए हैं सोसाइटी में, जो आज सारे भारत देश को और स्ट्रांग, मजबूत और हेल्दी बना रहे हैं। एज ए इंस्टीट्यूट हम फिर से कमिटेड हैं कि हम आने वाले सालों में लगातार मेहनत करते रहेंगे और इन बच्चों के साथ अपने अच्छे स्टडी मटेरियल, टीचर्स के सपोर्ट के ज़रिए हम और डॉक्टर्स इंडिया में क्रिएट करेंगे, चाहे वो गांव से बच्चा हो या शहर से हो। अभी आकाश इंस्टीट्यूट की सुविधाएं उसको सब जगह मिल रही हैं, चाहे हमारे सेंटर्स की फॉर्म में या डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म की फॉर्म में। हम हर गांव कोने के से भारत में डॉक्टर्स बना रहे हैं और आगे बनाते रहेंगे। और आज सारे डॉक्टर्स को जो इंडिया में हैं उन सबको मेरी तरफ से ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ और ढेर सारा धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Krishna. I'm doing my second year MBBS from Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical College, Bengaluru. Firstly, I'd like to mention how amazing of a faculty that Akash has. I was part of Akash in the year 2023-2024 in Akash Banaswadi. I'd like to mention my teachers, Jayalakshmi ma'am, Somnath sir, and Nazim sir. Amazing faculty. They helped me through my ups and downs. They were ready to help answer my doubts anytime throughout my preparation, and they motivated me a lot. And that's it. Again, I would like to stress on the point how important the Akash test series is. Firstly, we had fortnightly tests every 2 weeks. Then as we came closer to the NEET exam, we had like actual NEET mock exams, which does a wonderful job of mocking exactly how the NEET paper goes in reality. Uh, I was a repeater. The first After my first attempt, I sat and analyzed where I went wrong. The major thing was I hadn't practiced many papers. I had given only like 4 mock papers in my first attempt. That is where I went wrong in my first attempt. In my second attempt, I had attempted more than 200 papers at a point where my actual NEET paper just seemed like any other mock exams that I would give in Akash. So Akash's test series, wonderful, wonderful. I would ask my juniors never to skip any tests and attend the classes. The faculty knows what they're doing. And wishing you all a very best for your preparations. Thank you.
I'm in second year MBBS in Vijay Medical College. So I would, first of all, I'm just so glad you guys chose medical despite all the kind of things that we keep hearing. And so Akash is really very helpful. All of my teachers were really amazing, like to mention Mukesh sir, Sapna ma'am, and many others. And they were literally motivating me throughout my entire 2 years of my medicine journey. And the test series have really helped me is the NEET exam. And even though getting low marks in a few tests here and there, or honestly many tests here and there, but still that is the thing which will bring you forward. Other thing is mistake book. Keep track of all your mistakes, keep rereading them so you know where you've gone wrong. And do not give up. No matter what happens, do not give up. At some point you will feel like you have to give up, but just don't give up. That's it. So yeah, just good luck to all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Chaitanya. I'm doing my final year MBBS from Bangalore Medical College.
Hello, I'm Krishna. I'm doing my second year MBBS from Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical College, Bangalore.
Hi guys, I'm Sejal. I'm doing second year MBBS in MVJ Medical College.
Just tell how Akash has helped you. First of all, happy Doctor's Day to everyone. I joined Akash in 2022. So I was a 1 year student, and the course was very well curated for my abilities, and there was personal guidance and counseling given by my teachers at the HSR layout branch, and they helped me in all the aspects. And the Q banks and the material that Akash provides is top notch. I mean, no one can like match it, especially for NEET preparation. And the test series are once again very well monitored and very well conducted, and you get a rank, state rank, a branch rank, and even all India rank. They help us, keep us grounded during throughout the preparation cycle, and ultimately 24/7 support from our teachers, and we could text them anytime. Overall, a wonderful experience, and I'd recommend Akash to anyone who's choosing the NEET preparation.